A lightning bolt is hotter than the surface of the sun. The sun's surface is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, but a single lightning strike can reach 30,000 degrees Celsius, that's 5 times hotter. Lightning doesn't just shock you. It can burn your skin from the inside out because it travels through the body. And here's the most shocking part, most lightning survivors don't remember the strike. The brain is affected first. That's why people can wake up confused, with no memory of what happened, even if their body looks normal. So the next time you hear thunder, remember, lightning isn't just dangerous, it's literally hotter than the sun.